Hey everybody, it's Chris.
And Joan
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, we finally made it to Fort Lauderdale. We've gotten over here to the Wyndham Sea Garden. And we just checked in, so we're going to do a quick room tour. And this is room 959. It's a one-bedroom deluxe. And here you go, Joni.
And it's typical Wyndham. We get the wristband, and when we check in, they only give you the one key, so that, of course, you have to go see them. First thing, well, you don't need to see that. That looks like that's the thing. First, it's a nice, good-sized kitchen. And it has the washer dryer. It's a typical top, bottom. As we always say, do not overfill them. Do small loads, and then they do provide you with the laundry detergent and if you need more, you go get it. It's a good sized kitchen. Like it's an open floor plan. That's nice. And typical, you got your utensils, everything you need to start your day, be your week. Everything you need, pots and pans, and your bowls and dishes, and the coffee pot. And as usual, it's a coffee pot with grounds. So they have grounds, they have a blender, and your little favorite, salt and pepper, and sugar, blender, basic toaster, microwave, oven, and then the refrigerator. Always start the ice up, and your cups and saucers are up here. So everything you need to stay. And the dishwasher. And of course, can't go without your scrub, mommy. Where will scrub mommy go today? Outside the kitchen. So this is a one bedroom, so then it automatically goes into the bathroom. Good sized bathroom. So it's two entrances, an entrance from the bedroom, and it's a tub shower, which is fine. And they do provide you with your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And as we usually say, use it if you don't use it. It's actually, this one's not that bad. The Roots one, I found that it's not so bad. So you could go without bringing your own shampoo and conditioner and use that. The body wash is good. So I would say yes. I mean, maybe every other day, you know, switch out, but it's not that bad. Then they have a nice, good, big double sink. And they do carry the, that's a nice smelling, it is a nice smelling soaps. And then I think for the towels. Then inside here's the bedroom, and this is the Wyndham, so they do provide you with your beach towels. And then you just get them replaced when they're dirty or wet. You just go to the front desk and ask for more, or you have a washer, you just wash them. And the bedroom is a good sized bedroom. Really nice and big. I mean, I'm over here, so this is pretty big. And it does have a hot tub whirlpool. Nice. Good size end table. Of course, as we always like to check, they have the plugs on the outlets. They got a USB outlet. It's always good to have on the end. And let's take a look and see what kind of a closet. So it's a good sized closet. Lots of hangers. And they do have a safe, and I will say it is a good size safe. So yes, I think a laptop should fit into that. I'll get a better picture later. Definitely, it's a size that looks like a laptop will definitely fit in there. So, and then the basic TV, good size dresser, and we have a little patio. So this is a patio, and maybe I'll do another tour later in the day when we can It's early. This is almost midnight, so we just got in. So maybe I'll do another tour later. But this is the view. And obviously the beach is on the other side. So, yeah, it's a view. Guess we're on the tallest building. They have other buildings. Good sized bed, another end table. And outside of the bedroom, it's an open area, dining area, and with a seating area there. That's kind of nice. Some good plugs, always need plugs. And a good closet area for extra bedding, hangers, and then you're cleaning your iron board, dustpan and mop, or dustpan and broom. Good sized living room. Does that turn into a bed? And then a couch that turns into a bed. And there's a Chris watching the games. Who's playing?
Giants.
Giants. Go Giants. And then another view area. So this is really good. So we think we're not gonna like it. So we are here for 3 days, and then we're heading out to a cruise. So this is our So hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below. Tell us what you think.
This is Chris.
And Joan from Chris and Jones Travels. Thank you.